So hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So what I have here is a raw outreach list, just a bunch of LinkedIn profile URLs, no filtering, no prioritization, nothing. Now normally this is where most people get stuck. You open profiles one by one, try to figure out if they are relevant and then decide whether to connect or not. That's slow and inconsistent. So instead I'm building a simple system using AI and I'm basically turning Claude into my AI sales assistant. Now, Claude alone can't access LinkedIn. So I have connected it using the Connect Safely MCP server, as you can see on my screen, which allows it to securely work with real LinkedIn profile data. Now, here's what I'm asking it to do. First, extract basic details like name, role, company, and industry. Then analyze whether each person is a good fit for my offer. After that, I'm making it score every lead from 1 to 10. So now I'm not guessing anymore. I have a clear priority list. Then comes the important part. I have added a simple rule. If a lead scores above 5, it's worth connecting. If it's below 5, I ignore it. So now AI is not just analyzing, it's actually helping me decide who to take action on. And it doesn't stop there. For the leads that qualify, it also prepares what I should do next, like what kind of message I can send after they accept my connection. So instead of doing research, decision making, and outreach separately, this one prompt is handling everything in one flow. It's turning a messy list into a structured outreach system. Let's run this and see what kind of output we get. So now you can see what just happened. Claude didn't just analyze the list, it actually executed the entire workflow. If you look here, it has already categorized the leads into hot and warm, and based on the criteria we defined earlier, it automatically decided who is worth reaching out to. Now, this is the key part. Instead of me manually going profile by profile, it has already sent connection requests to the right people. You can see here 10 out of 10 requests have been sent, and not randomly. These are filtered leads, people who are actually relevant to my offer, and it even went one step further. It engaged with content. It found a high performing post and left a genuine comment, which is something most people completely ignore. Now, let me quickly show you this on LinkedIn. So, as you can see on my screen, these are the same people Claude just selected. So, this is not just analysis, this is real action happening. Now, think about what just happened. We started with a raw list, no structure, no priority. And in one step, AI turned it into qualified leads, a clear action plan, and executed outreach. And this is the real shift. You are not just using AI to help you, you are using it to handle the entire workflow, from research to decision making to execution. And that's what actually saves time and scales your outreach. And now the only thing left is when these people accept the request, I can send a warm follow up message, which is also already prepared. So instead of spending hours doing outreach manually, the entire system runs in minutes. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.